The second example in this chapter is example 2.2. This time, this is the question: how much you should deposit now to have $12,000 8 years from now if the interest rate is 6% per year compounded yearly? Again, the best way to do is just represent this problem in the cash flow diagram. So this is the p-value. You want to know how much you should deposit right now at present time to have $12,000 8 years from now. So again, this time the equation that you're going to use is going to be this. The p-value is going to be equal f times 1 over 1 plus I to the n. Now, this is the equation form. If you are using a table, we're going to call this one f, p given f, with I interest and n number of period. So this is a equation form. This is a table form. Now, for this example, my n is equal 8. The interest rate for this example is 6%. Now we're going to substitute. First, I'm going to use the actual equation. The p is going to be equal 12,000 times 1 over 1 plus I, which is 6%, to power of 8. If you do this, you're going to get $7,528.94. So this is the answer using the actual equation. Now I'm going to show you how to use table, which is much faster and easier. The p-value is going to be equal to f times p given f, I and n. This is the equation. Let's substitute. F is 12,000. P given f. The interest rate is 6%. And the number of period is 8 years. This time you're going to go again at the end of your book. There are tables for interest for those factors. This we call this one P given f factor. For this one, because the interest is 6%, you go to page 605 at the end of your textbook. That's for 6% interest. Then you go to the column for P given f. Then the number of period 8. Then you should be able to find this factor. So this factor should be equal to 0.6274. If you multiply by 12,000, you're going to get $7,528.80. Again, if you compare, there's a difference of almost 14 cents. That's not the major issue, because that's when you are using table, always you're going to have round off error. So that's why there's a difference.